video, let's look at the monitoring, investigating, and reporting of the traffic filtering. In order to analyze observed traffic data, go to the Shield page in Administration Portal. On the Shield page, click on the Time Frame Metrics widget. Then click on Observed Traffic tab. By default, the observed traffic events of your users over the last 24 hours will be displayed. Notice that under the bar chart, the classification data shows the various thread categories that constitute the observed traffic. The time frame over which data is displayed can be changed by selecting the time intervals. With this 7-day interval selected, you can drill down to a specific day by clicking on a day of your choice, and further drill down to see an hour-by-hour event. In order to analyze blocked traffic data, access the Shield page in Administration Portal. On the Shield page, click on the Time Frame Metrics and then click on Blocked Traffic tab. By default, the blocked traffic events of your users over the last 24 hours will be displayed. Notice that under the bar chart, the classification data shows the various thread categories that constitute the blocked traffic. The time frame over which the data is displayed can be changed by selecting the time intervals on the right of the graph. With the 7-day intervals selected, you can drill down to a specific day by clicking on a day of your choice, and then further drill down to see an hour-by-hour event. Let's look at the top 10 dashboard data. Access the Shield page in the Administration Portal and you'll see the top 10 dashboard pane. By default, the dashboard displays observed traffic by priority over the last 7 days. You have the option of changing it to 30 days, last hour, or last 24 hours. The dashboard displays a bubble chart with up to 10 priorities that represent the top thread priorities by the number of the events. The color of the bubble outlines matches the category key on the right edge. Select a different data set to retrieve additional data by clicking on the options on the top. For example, choose category under blocked traffic by category to obtain blocked traffic events sorted by category. Select a different time frame using the time interval options on the top right corner of the widget. Now you can conduct a drill down investigation by turning on the Investigate mode switch. Access the Shield page in Administration Portal and on the top 10 dashboard pane, select the dashboard view. Then turn on the Investigate mode switch on. Click on one of the category circles on the dashboard. The dashboard displays the users that originated any traffic that are classified in the blocked category. Click on a user to drill down into the dataset. The dashboard displays the devices on which traffic was blocked because it was flagged. You can navigate back to either the category view or the priority view by clicking the breadcrumbs. You can also download a report of blocked traffic by category or observed domain by category. Choose which category you would like to get the report on, and then click on this link at the bottom of the section. Once you click on the link, you will see a report here for your chosen time intervals. If there is a page 2, you will see more than the top 10. The report will show statistics for all the blocked monitored categories instead of just the top 10. You can click on this small icon up here to download the report into your computer.